Granite versus porcelain countertops. Which is better for your home? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop materials, granite versus porcelain. If you're renovating your kitchen or designing a new space, this video will help you choose the right surface based on strength, cost, maintenance, and overall look. Granite is a natural stone sourced from the earth, cut into slabs, and polished. It comes in unique patterns and colors formed naturally over time. Every slab is different, making your countertop truly one of a kind. Granite brings a luxurious and premium look to kitchens and bathrooms. Porcelain countertops are man-made from refined clay baked at extremely high temperatures. These slabs are engineered to be lightweight, durable, and uniform. Porcelain can even imitate marble, granite, or concrete looks, giving you multiple design choices. Granite is heat-resistant and strong, but it can stain and requires sealing once or twice a year. Porcelain is scratch-resistant, heat-resistant, UV-resistant, and doesn't require sealing. It works well both indoors and outdoors. Granite slabs are heavy and need skilled installers, which may increase installation cost. Porcelain is lighter and easier to install, and sometimes can even be installed over existing countertops, reducing labor cost. Choose granite if you love natural patterns and a unique look. Choose porcelain if you want low maintenance, modern designs, and long-lasting performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.